What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to be taking a look at another beard product, so stay tuned to the intro. Alright guys, what do you think about my new intro? Drop me a comment. Let me know how I could improve that intro, or if you love it. Is it great? Still doing some tweaking on it, so let me know. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do hiking videos, gear reviews, beard product reviews, all that kind of stuff. So make sure to hit that thumbs up and to hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be taking a look at 6-string Elixirs out of Texas. Alright, so they've been around since 2016. They're based out of Texas. I actually won this beard oil and balm combo on Instagram on a giveaway. So that's what we're going to be taking a look at today. When I won the giveaway, I was given an opportunity to choose a scent. So what I chose was Dreadnought. Now they've got a couple scents, but this is Dreadnought. Now you can see already that the label is not oil and water resistant, but it still looks really cool. And even with the water droplets, it makes it look even cooler. So, comes in a cobalt blue glass bottle with your standard dropper top. The oil is clear and kind of on a light to medium consistency. And the balm comes in a screw top silver container with the same logo. And it is kind of a off-white kind of a color. The consistency of the balm comes out pretty smooth. And let's do just a little bit here. So there's just a little bit there, and it emulsifies immediately. Alright, so the scent profile on this, according to their website, this is fresh tobacco leaf, velvet, vanilla, and a hint of patchouli. So for me, I get pretty much the exact same scent in both oil and balm, which is rare, but I get both. Get the same. Let's get a little bit in hand. Waste it. Heat that up a little bit. When I do that, I barely get that vanilla. I get that vanilla in bottle, but I don't really get it when I heat it up. I get that tobacco. I get a little bit of that velvet, and then I get that little bit of patchouli. I mean, it's a complex, in my opinion, this is a very complex scent with those four different scent profiles all in one, and it smells amazing. At first when I got it, I was a little bit leery because all those scents hit you at one time, and it kind of takes you a little bit of getting used to, but it's good. And little bit of a shine, and now I've got a little bit of oil and balm on there, but it absorbs in my beard very well. Ingredients, they're not listed on the bottle, so I have a cheat sheet. For the oil, the ingredients are argan oil, camellia oil, castor oil, sweet almond oil, and MCT coconut oil. And the ingredients on the balm are organic coconut oil, shea butter, beeswax, and essential oils. I actually wore the combination a couple times. I actually put the balm in a couple nights for a night routine, and because it's kind of a creamier, not a real strong holding balm, so I tried that at night. Every time it worked amazing. It did really well, and you can see it left just a little bit of a shine, but it's not greasy at all. It absorbs in and it just moisturizes. Price wise, the oil is a 1 ounce container, and they are selling that for $17.99, a little bit above market average. with that $15 mark being market average, so a little bit up there. But your Balm is a 2-ounce tin selling at $14.99 at the time of this video. Would I recommend this? I would. I think it's a really good oil. It's not too thick and it absorbs really well. It's the scent probably lasted 6 to 8 hours. There were some days where I could smell it a little bit longer than others, and you just catch a whiff of it every now and then. So I'm gonna give it that 6 to 8 hour mark, because there were some days where I lost it, but then a lot of days I was able to smell it beyond that 6 hour mark. So I do highly recommend 6-string Elixirs. Get over, check them out. I will drop links in the description below for their Instagram, their website, all of that. You'll be able to check them out. I do have a part 2 of this video. Whenever I won this giveaway, they knew that I do reviews, so they dropped me something else to do a review on. That'll be coming in another video. But definitely make sure you check out 6-string Elixirs. Highly recommend Dreadnought. Now they've got a couple other scents, but this is the only one that I've tried, so definitely give them a look. Alright guys, make sure to drop me a comment and let me know what you think about that new intro. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can do it by clicking on that logo right there. If you have, here's some other videos you can watch. So make sure to stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.